Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Cox Wi-Fi Gateway router blinking solid white light. First, restart the Cox Wi-Fi Gateway by unplugging it, waiting for 1 minute and plugging it back in. Check the Cox app or website to confirm if the service is active and not under maintenance. Make sure the Cox cable and power cable are tight, secure and not damaged. Now, wait 3 to 5 minutes after reboot because a solid or blinking white light often means it's still syncing. Then move the gateway to an open area so it doesn't overheat or lose signal. After that, move any unnecessary Cox splitters that may weaken the signal. Log into 192.168.0.1 to check for errors, firmware updates, or activation issues. Here, restart your router if separate to refresh the entire network. Try connecting a device with an Ethernet cable to see if the internet works even while the light blinks. Lastly, contact Cox support if the blinking white light stays for more than 10 to 15 minutes, as the line or modem may need repair or activation. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.